When using a Repronizer, not a blow dryer, it's very important that during your rough dry, you remove the concentrator nozzle. What this will do is provide 30% more airflow without having that restriction. So you only want to have the concentrator nozzle on your Repronizer when you're doing your finish work. I like to dry the hair at least 85% of the way before putting my concentrator nozzle back on. You're gonna get a much smoother high shine finish than you would when using a traditional blow dryer. So as you know, with bioprogramming technology, these devices will never cause heat damage. There's no need to ever apply a thermal protectant. I simply just use the hair mist and the scalp serum. That is truly all of the product that you need when working with any of these devices. Simply using the air from the Repronizer on the scalp is going to provide a treatment to every single hair strand on the head, resulting in a higher shine, more moisturized, less frizzy, and less prone to breakage end result. So many people will say, I've used a blow dryer in the past and it seems to dry the hair faster. It's so important to know that this is not in the blow dryer category. This truly is a treatment device that's going to improve the condition of the hair with every single use. So while you may use a faster powered blow dryer, there is no blow dryer that can do what a Repronizer can. When using the Repronizer, the power button is on the side and the hot and cool button is up here. So you're going to see the red light for hot and a blue light to cold. You can easily switch in between speeds using 1, 2, or 3, and you can turn the airflow on and off by using these buttons as well. It's not necessary to use the power button. It will automatically shut off after 1 hour of not being in use. So I'm going to turn it on, and if I want to shut it off, I just hit the button again. If I'm at a speed 3, and I want to switch to a speed 1, I totally can. Very easy to use. The filter is located right under this grate. Super easy to change the filter. You would just pop this outer cover off, reveal your dirty filter, and swap out a filter from your box. And go ahead and wash this under water and let it dry completely before replacing it. I like to swap mine back and forth so that I don't have to worry about ever putting a wet filter in my Repronizer. You're going to notice the serial number is located in here as well, and that's helpful for registering your device when you first get it. Pop the cover back on, and it's ready to go.